We're diving into how to integrate easy digital downloads with Academy LMS to start selling your online courses. First, make sure you have Easy Digital Downloads plugins installed and activated. Next, enable Easy Digital Downloads add-on. Set Easy Digital Downloads as your e-commerce engine from Academy LMS Settings Payment section. Now go to Downloads and create a new download by clicking on Add New. Set your course title, description, and price. Hit on Publish. Here are your created downloads. Now navigate to Courses and open a course that you have created downloads. Here select the course type as paid, and your created download will link here instantly. Hit on the Update button. Paid Course Overview of Easy Digital Downloads. Creating a paid course with EDD without going to EDD. Add a new course. Make the course type as paid, and done. And see, your course will be a paid course automatically. Set a price for the course and other necessary details. And lastly, hit Publish. In the Course Page section, you can find your created courses as paid. Overview of your created course. That's it. You're now ready to start selling your courses using Easy Digital Downloads with Academy LMS. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials.